guys, then I'll.
Okay,
Yeah,
I will
thank you,
record
thank
this
you.
for you. Okay, I'll
Good, good,
record
good.
this for you. Okay, don't know.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
thank you.
remember,
Okay.
top
Yeah,
scanners, copy vortex radar, change colors, but this is the website that needs to be for top scanners. When you go to
yeah,
the dashboard and you go to homepage for top scanners, it is
yeah,
very important, Habib. Look at your homepage. Your
yeah.
homepage is not this one. Oh, yeah, yeah. I think it's this one. Okay, your homepage is no good for this website. Oh, no, no. This is good. This is good. Okay, this is perfect. You can use this as homepage if necessary, but if not, go here. Where's homepage? You need to label homepage because I cannot see here.
Maybe we have it. Top radar.
How
Yes,
to,
we have the home page.
but you need to label your pages. Look, I do not know. I do not know.
Um,
Where's homepage? Not here.
you can go the draft, or it can be the not draft. It's published maybe. Please go the published section.
This is all. This is all published only.
All, but I
Okay,
did it. I hope I did it because I already
label.
messaged you
Okay, I
on
do not
our
know.
rocket chat.
Okay, it's fine. Give me 1 second. I do not even know. Like, what is the homepage,
Um,
friend? Look, I do not
go
even
to
know.
the
What is
best food.
homepage? It's a mess. It's messy. Okay, Habib, it's no
Okay,
good.
okay, okay.
I do not like that. Another thing I will show you right now. But look, I don't even. Where's homepage, Habib?
I did it. Okay, I'm checking with you. No problem.
No homepage.
Top radar.
Mm-mm.
After complete, I message you
Not
that
happy with this.
it's not a problem. I'm checking, and you can continue the meeting. I'm
Okay,
checking by
look.
myself.
Okay, I'm just going to deactivate. You will have to enable maintenance mode again because I do not even see. It's just messy. Okay, friend. I do not like this. It needs to be labeled. You need to be labeling. Okay. Where's
Yeah,
homepage?
yeah.
It's not even complete, but that's another issue. Okay, so we go to homepage, nothing. Ah, this-
Home page for top radar. .co. But I did it. Maybe I'm checking print.
no homepage, Habib.
How can I mistake it? It's a big,
I
big
do
mistake. How can I do
not even know.
that?
I do not even know.
Mm, yeah,
There's no homepage,
how
friend. There's no homepage. That's fine.
maximize
Add it to your to-do, but there's no homepage for this, friend.
FRO and the font. Checking print.
It's not here.
No, you're right.
Okay, so this is not good,
Not
friend.
finding.
Okay, there's no homepage. There's no organization here. You need to complete this. Look, what is this? What is this, Habib? This is trash. What is this? Look, trash.
Fresh?
Look, I do not know what this article is. What is this? Police scanning learning center? What is this? You seeing?
Whose
What is,
page?
I don't know. I don't know. But again, what I mean is it's trash. Look, it's not. It's no good. But it's published. So this is issue for me. I need you to fix this, okay? Label your homepage.
Yeah, Bond Shape. This is Bond Shape.
Okay, another issue for me, Habib, is you're not checking the settings. Look, best emeralds in the world. What is that, Habib? This is You need to go to site title. You need to go to site title, customize, site title, site identity. What is this? Look. Okay, so remember your details. This is why I'm not happy about it because you need to work on your details. And look here, all of this needs to go. This is the only thing that should be on the bottom. You do not need all this. I told you to remove this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Got this. Got this.
okay. So remove this. For this, I do not see homepage. Look, no homepage. Test by cycle. This is your homepage here. So no homepage here at all. Where is your database? Wrong. No links. So Habib, when you complete site, it needs to be all complete. Okay, it cannot be like this. Do not add. If it is easier for you, friend, do not add 18 drafts because this is a lot to link.
Yeah.
Because then you're gonna have to link all these. No, add 5, 10 maybe at a time, and then go to your homepage, wherever you will be, and then add that content to the homepage,
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
because
friend.
otherwise it's too much and it is very unorganized. It's not complete. So you have 3 websites here, not all complete, not 100% complete, which is fine, but we need to work on this. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Got this. Got this.
Okay, so this is all 3 websites I need you to review. With Cyber Control app, this is good content. Not all of it will be necessary, but I will review it. This is good
Okay.
content.
Okay. Which one you
Okay.
don't need, then you can trash it. Okay.
Okay, I think we
And
will use it, but not all of it. Maybe not all of it. Okay.
okay.
Good website, nevertheless. WBS is good. Cyber Control app is good. You need to be updating. Please make sure you're updating all of this WBS and also all plugins. Okay.
Okay.
And then everything else is good. There is your task for these websites. I add you on task. So all this is here. I add your notes here. I will send you this recording, friend. And then for you right now, it is 31. Yes?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So payroll will be number 1 here. Okay. So for you,
Okay.
it will be 2.
Okay,
Oh, no, no,
friend.
no,
It's
no, no,
not
no, 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 no. Wrong. For you, it will be 1. For you, it will be 1.
okay. It will
Okay.
be
So,
best because the
okay.
first day of the year.
Oh, yeah, I know. So this will be best for me too. Okay, do not worry. But Habib, bonus will depend on your work here. Okay, I will.
Okay, friend.
I
I
will
got
take
it.
this into consideration. I will not give you a bonus. But Habib, look. For instance, I cannot give you a bonus if after 2 years working with me, you have no homepage here. Links not working. Look, links are not working here. So this website is not super complete. And then here, there's no title. I had to fix the title here. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I
And understood.
want much improved.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Friend, actually,
Okay.
I
Everything else
really
is
thank you
fine. I
because
think
for the meeting. I
yes.
actually
No, it is.
we
It's holiday.
understanding
So
our missing. You
no, it's
know.
fine. It's holiday, so it's difficult for me to sometimes go on my computer do the work. But I will go on here. I will review all. If you want me to add more keywords or tasks, I will do it. Okay. But I need your help on those details.
Okay, friend.
Okay. So Habib, you complete all these websites no later than Friday 3. Look here. Okay.
Yes,
If
I
you
got
can
it.
if you can complete Bonsai Bro here, number 1, I will be very happy. If you can complete Bonsai Bro,
So my last date of the task will be the Friday.
no,
So
yes. Realistically,
Friday,
yes.
Friday,
Friday,
Friday. That means
realistically,
the
yes.
uh, 3rd January or which one?
Wait,
The
one more
date.
time.
I need to know about the date.
Uh,
Friday date will be the what?
so it will be Sunday for you.
Sunday. Okay, okay.
Okay. I need all 3 of those done because all 3 of those websites need to be sold.
Yeah, my dear friend, I must try to achieve the bonus. Sure.
Yes, but you need to look at the details, Habib. Complete all links.
Yeah,
All links on homepage it must be 100% website. You know what I mean?
yeah.
So do
Yeah,
not do this. Do not create so much content because what you're doing is you're creating 30 pages content. That's great, very good, but if you just do 5, link all categories, all menus, it'll be easier. You complete website with maybe 10 articles, that's fine. Okay?
great. I understand, friend.
Okay, but the content you did is very good. You can add images. I already reviewed most of it. It looks very good, but the other ones are not. You need to improve, I think.